Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming two things. Your Xbox profile is signed in, and you have an active HoYoverse account. Sign into the HoYoverse portal now. This is the bridge between platforms. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and confirm your email so account linking won't be blocked. Make sure the Xbox account you intend to link is the one you use on your console. Doing these steps first prevents verification delays and reduces the chance of creating duplicate game saves. You now initiate the actual link from the HoYoverse side. In the account page or in game settings, choose the option to link external accounts and select Xbox. You'll either be redirected to an Xbox sign-in prompt or asked to enter your Xbox credentials. Approve the prompt on your console or device. If a confirmation code appears, copy it exactly and paste or type it where requested. This handshake associates cloud saves, purchases, and progress across platforms, so follow each on-screen prompt carefully. Finish by confirming the linked status in your HoYoverse account settings and then check in-game to see the Xbox badge or synced progress. If you don't see progress immediately, quit and restart the game or console and wait up to 10 minutes while cloud sync completes. If syncing still fails, unlink and relink following the same steps. And as a troubleshooting tip, collect account ID and timestamps before contacting support. This speeds resolution when verification is needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.